Can you hear me? So, I guess if you asked me what makes me get out of bed every day and come to work, it's that we aren't out here saving lives every single day, but we are changing them. There is something really special about watching a child hear their mom for the first time. There's something special about watching a couple who's been married for 50 years be able to communicate over dinner for the first time. Musicians, people who love music, who have a profound hearing loss, to watch them learn how to hear through a cochlear implant and enjoy music again, that's changing somebody's life. That's giving them back something that they had passion for that they weren't able to enjoy every day, and now they can. We joke a lot of times, actually, and tell our patients that we're licensed audiologists, but we're unlicensed marriage counselors. Because when one of you can hear and one of you cannot, the opportunity for frustration in your marriage is really big. And so we're providing couples with the opportunity to be able to communicate again. When you walk in the door, we know your name. We don't have to look you up. We know your story. So a lot of people, when they hear the word audiologist, they think that we are just hearing aid salesmen, which is not what we do at all. We're actually doctors of audiology. Hearing aids are a part of our scope of practice, but they are just a small scope of what we do. We are a very broad-based clinic. So we see anything from a brand new baby 2 weeks old to end-of-life patients. We do implants, we do Bajas, we do hearing aids. We work very closely with our local ear, nose, and throat physicians for patients who have hearing loss that's being caused by something that's not just age-related hearing loss. We have probably the most advanced lab in Amarillo. A lot of places, if you have a problem with your hearing aid or if something malfunctions, you have to ship it off to the manufacturer to have it fixed. All of our doctors and most of our staff are trained on how to fix most problems here in the clinic. And that's beneficial to the patient because they're not having to go a week and a half to 2 weeks without their hearing aid because we're able to fix it right here. The previous owner, Dr. Ormson, he was born and raised in the area. And so he was able to create a legacy of small town healthcare. And I think that that's something that we're losing even in Amarillo. Some of our patients have been coming here for over 40 years. And to be able to keep the doors open and allow that patient base to continue to come seeing us and continue to have the same type of treatment and healthcare that they've always had here, that was really important to us. And so we weren't going to pass up on the opportunity to keep this legacy going for another 40-something years.